Hello out there in YouTube land. Welcome to another episode of Car Wins and Sins. Today I have a old, probably 1970s Ford F100 with a shell on the back, and also a 1970s Jeep Wagoneer. I have difficulty telling truck years apart because they look very, very similar year after year, where classic cars would change the design on a yearly basis. So I'd say circa 1974, 75, 76 maybe. Okay, folks, you know what to do. Give this video a like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and as always, observe all traffic laws. This is Mr. Pete, out.